Hello everyone. Today we are going to play a very simple game, programming with Rey and BB8. Now BB8 has to collect different metal scraps. So he has different directions he can move in, north, south, east and west. So यहाँ पे सबसे पहले he'll move towards east, then he'll move towards south, again towards east, again towards south, again towards east and towards south. Let's see. So great, we have completed the puzzle. Wasn't it easy?
Yes, ma'am.
We have another task. Let's see if BB8 can collect all the metal scraps or not. So first let him move towards south. He'll move 2 times towards east, east and east again. So if he is repeating the steps, so why not let's use a loop here. If he is repeating the steps, let's use a loop. Okay. So he is going towards east 3 times, then he will go to the north, he will go towards south 2 times. So again we can use a loop here to repeat the steps. Let's see. And you've completed the puzzle. Isn't it easy? So we have a lot of metal scraps to, take in. So let's see where BB8 will move. So first he'll go 2 steps towards east direction. Then he will go 2 steps towards south. Then he will go 2 steps to east and 2 steps towards south. Let's see. And puzzle is complete. Again, a very easy task to perform. Again, we have to use a repeat loop. So, we repeat east 2 times, move towards south 2 times, let's move towards south 3 times, and move towards east 2 times. And we move towards south again. Let's run and see. And yes, the task is completed.